How about a classic import here at Unique Specialty Classics? This was a 1973 Triumph TR6. 2.5 liter, inline six underneath the hood. 4-speed manual transmission with overdrive. Has 3 Weber 2-barrels on it. Let's take a look at the front grille. Chrome on the bumper, headlight bezels. I guess I'd consider this British racing green. Black interior. All right, still pictures, so you can take your time looking at every angle of the car, underside, interior, engine bay, trunk, top up, top down, close-ups of the top, wheels. Over 100 pictures of this car online, uniqueclassiccars.com. If you're watching this video, click on the link down below the video in the description. That's going to take you right to our website. Of course, you can call us, 507-386-1726. Wire-spoked wheels, knockoffs, real deal. It's even going to come with the Thor hammer to get those locking nuts off. Let's take a look down this passenger side. You can see the paint shows well. I mean, is it perfect? Can you find an imperfection here or there? Maybe a little touch up? Yes. But overall, fun car to drive. Local roll-ins, cruise-ins, local shows. You can just see some very kind of light, I guess, surface scratch, if it will. Not going to take away from your driving pleasure, though, no doubt about that. And you can see no major nicks, dings, scratches. Of course, bucket seats. Shift around the floor. Aftermarket stereo, that is working. We're going to get around to the driver's side, take a little closer look at that interior. I'll start it up, let you hear it run. We'll take a peek underneath the hood. Stick around to the very end of this video. And Jason will take it for a drive, show you how it goes down the road. Notice we did have a cracked lens, kind of in that turn signal part a little bit, not too bad. Does come with the cockpit cover. This car has been restored, so there are some pictures of the frame off, what have you. Those will be in the still pictures. A few miscellaneous parts, filter, paint, and of course the jack. There's that Thor hammer. And then the manuals. Some miscellaneous manuals go along with it. We'll include that in with the car and send it to the new owner. And once again, all the still pictures, uniqueclassiccars.com. A few notes from the technician on this one. New battery, fresh oil change, new heater valve. Brakes are 80% in the front and the rear. Tires are starting to show their age a little bit. Looks like they're bias ply also, just so you're aware of that. Speedo reads about 5 to 10 miles an hour slow. That'll keep you out from getting a speeding ticket. And a slight shake, 60 miles an hour, you noted. Wipers were in op. Does have a complete exhaust with catalytic converter. If you like British imports, Triumphs, what have you, just classics in general, go ahead and subscribe to our YouTube channel. You never know what you'll see come through here at Unique Classic Cars. Videos are uploaded daily, and when these videos are uploaded, the vehicles in them are available to purchase, and that can be done online or right off our showroom floor. Convertible top cover, nice shape. Give you an idea how that paint looks on the deck lid. All right, take a little closer look at this interior. Door panels, decent shape. Light crack in the vinyl up there, pretty minor. As far as seats, I've not noticed any rips, tears, holes in the vinyl. Little aftermarket speakers in the rear also. And then you can see you do have like over the shoulder belts. So it does have seat belts. All right. All right, so choke here, obviously ignition works like normal. And the overdrive And before I quick put this convertible top up, I believe the overdrive would be this right here. Up is overdrive off, down would be overdrive on, and blinkers in front of it. You Triumph experts out there, tell me if it's another switch on there or if that is indeed correct. Down in the comments below the video. Now let's check out this convertible top. May have been this right of the steering column. I'll do a little digging on that when we pop the hood and take a look underneath there. All right, temp gauge, that was a cold start. Oil pressure you can see up. Fuel gauge appears to be working, as well as voltmeter. Tachometer. Also working. Odometer reads 28,714. I cannot confirm or deny if that's original miles, just due to the fact it does not get recorded on the title once a vehicle's a certain age. Let's take a listen. Again, 3 Weber 2 barrels, 2.5 liter inline 6. I'll also show you the top up and the condition of that too after we take a peek at the engine. So first off, let's get a good look at this engine bay. I'm going to pause it a second. Let's get the hood open, see how it looks underneath there. All right, underside of the hood. It's nice and clean. There it is. Just power brakes. Love the carburetor setup in this. Battery disconnect for when it's in the storage or in between drives. Running smooth, sounds good. Speaking of carburetors, let's get around over here. Check this out. Three 2 barrels. Looks like a Canon intake manifold. Very cool. Love how these sound too. Not a ton of car for an inline 6. Obviously a torquey engine. It's going to make this thing get up and move. Okay, let's go ahead and get this convertible top up. Check out the condition of that. Of course, it's going to be a manual top. I'll fold it up and we'll take a peek at that. And then stick around to the very end. Jason's going to take it for a drive too. Show you how it goes down the road. And convertible top up. Simple, works like any of these manual tops on kind of the roadsters, if you will. Very simple. All right, latched up front. Nice tight fit. Rolled the side windows up so you can see how those fit. So black fabric. Have not noticed any rips, tears, or holes. Top's probably been down as much as it's been up. You get this out in the sun, let it heat up a little bit. Those will come out some to a certain extent, but nice and clear. How many times are you going to drive this with the top up? If you need it to keep you out of a shower or maybe the sun, it's going to work just fine. Again, passenger side, that side glass up. Nice tight fit above the windshield in the front. And again, no rips, tears, or holes. Fun summer car, 1973 Triumph TR6. Number to call, 507-386-1726. UniqueClassicCars.com. Seriously, check out all those still pictures. There'll be over 100 of them. Underside, all over. Yes, we do consider trades. Financing is available. Of course, we can assist with transportation. And this vehicle may be eligible for an extended service contract. Consult with your sales associate when you call in or email.
Oh, that is fantastic.
Jesus. Running on empty? Fuel up with us, George and Jeremy on Motorhood.
Jesus.
Tune in on YouTube where we dive into cars
Who cares if it's hard on gas?
Our showroom
One of 114.
and beyond. New episodes every week, only on Motorhood.
Today, let's go for a ride in a fun 1973 Triumph TR6. A very small, fun car. This is a convertible with the top down today. These are so fun because they're responsive to any input because there's so little. 4-speed manual for the most fun. Just listen to it. It sounds like it's having fun. Nice feeling clutch, easy to shift, smooth runner. Our gauges appear to be working. The temperature a little over a third of the way. Oil pressure showing about 70 psi. The fuel gauge is about a half a tank. The volts are over 14. Tachometer and speedometer working as they should. The radio works in this car. The blower motor also works for that defrost, defogger. Triumph right in the middle of the steering wheel. Wood grain on the dash. Really feels like a throwback. 1973, maybe you're driving in Britain. Although we are on the left side of the car, which is nice. Brakes are smooth. It's easy to steer, very responsive. Corners nicely. Just rev it up for more power. It sounds like it loves it. Find all the pictures of this 73 Triumph TR6 at uniqueclassiccars.com.